Then grabbing his tension to bring him up. Now he's more open than he was before. So as soon as we pull to there, and now I drop and I just switch to electric. So magnetic and electric. And when you switch to the electric, you continue dropping. So you don't have to come back up. So magnetic, and you can keep going down if you're a Tai Chi player. You've got to remain grounded. If you're not a Tai Chi player, or if you're a striker, you can lift in your stance a little bit and let yourself float. It'll let more energy out. So it's up to you which way you're going to play it. So magnetic and then electric, and just switch. And the magnetic is about breaking the structure, and the electric goes into the gaps. And you just play them rhythmically, slowly, and speed it up until it's just a shock. Magnetic and electric. So in and out. The magnetic, the amount of break you get in the structure sets up the breaking of the protective chi and makes the person vulnerable. And then the electric, you just put it through the gaps, through their center balance, into their tension, whatever they present to create the issue. If you're a striker, if you're doing a martial art that has striking, this is the best model for you to train. Okay, have a play.